In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add bookmarks on Chrome, step by step, so you can save your favorite websites and access them instantly anytime. Bookmarks are a simple but powerful way to stay organized, whether you're saving YouTube, Gmail, work resources, study notes, or any website you visit often. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Chrome is the browser where we'll save the web page, and this method works great for keeping important sites just one click away. Once Chrome is open, go to the website you want to bookmark. This can be any page you want to return to later, such as a home page, a login page, an article, or a useful online tool. Now look at the top of the browser in the address bar. On the right side, you'll see a star icon. This star is the bookmark button. Click that star icon once and a bookmark pop-up will appear. This pop-up is where you can customize the bookmark before saving it. Next, you'll see the name field. Here, you can type a name for the bookmark if you want to change it. Chrome usually fills in the page title automatically, but you can rename it to something easier to remember. For example, you could name it YouTube, Gmail, Study Notes, or anything that makes sense for the site you're saving. Giving your bookmark a clear name makes it much easier to find later. After that, take a look at the folder dropdown. This is where you choose where the bookmark will be stored. You can save it to the bookmarks bar if you want quick access right below the address bar. You can also choose other bookmarks if you want to keep it organized in a separate folder, or mobile bookmarks if you want it synced to your mobile browser. Selecting the right location helps keep your bookmarks neat and easy to manage. Once you've chosen the name and folder, just click Done. That's it. The website is now bookmarked in Chrome. If you selected the bookmarks bar, you should see it appear right away for fast access. If you saved it in another folder, you can still find it later from your bookmarks menu. If you want to bookmark more websites, just repeat the same process. Open the page, click the star icon, name it if needed, choose the folder, and click Done. It only takes a few seconds, and once you get used to it, bookmarking in Chrome becomes second nature. This is especially useful if you're someone who visits the same sites every day. Instead of typing the address again and again, you can open your bookmark with a single click. It's a simple feature, but it can save you a lot of time and make browsing much more efficient. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful Chrome and computer tips. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to add bookmarks on Chrome quickly and easily.